India to join 197 nations at UNCCD COP16 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, which coincides with the UNCCD's 30th anniversary. The 16th session of the Conference of Parties COP16 of United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification UNCCD. This event will take place in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia from 2nd December to 13th December 2024 under the theme Our Land, Our Future. Our Land, Our Future. Marking the first time West Asia hosts this crucial environmental conference. India's delegation, jointly led by Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav and Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini. The delegation will present the Aravali Green World Project AGWP, a comprehensive initiative targeting the restoration of 1.15 million hectares of degraded landscape across four states Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Delhi. This coincides with the 30th anniversary of UNCCD. COP16 will be the largest UN land conference to date. The United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification UNCCD is the global voice for land and one of the three major UN treaties known as the Rio Conventions alongside climate and biodiversity. The Conference of the Parties COP is the main decision making body of UNCCD's 197 parties, 196 countries, and the European Union. 196 countries and the European Union. What is United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification UNCCD? UNCCD was established in 1994. It is the sole legally binding international agreement linking environment and development to sustainable land management. It addresses specifically the arid, semi-arid and dry subhumid areas known as the drylands, where some of the most vulnerable ecosystems and peoples can be found. The convention's 197 parties work together to improve the living conditions for people in drylands to maintain and restore land and soil productivity and to mitigate the effects of drought. The United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification UNCCD works with the two other Rio Conventions to address the interlinked challenges of land, climate, and biodiversity. Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD), the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change UNFCCC. These three conventions are based on the outcomes of the 1992 United Nations Conference on Environment and Development UNCED, also known as the Earth Summit. UNCED, also known as the Earth Summit. This is all about COP6.